Ugh, editing is so hard.
Ma'am, your phone is ringing.
Which one?
This one.
Thank you. Greetings. This is multi-millionaire Jaylee from the Proper Betta. How may I assist you?
Hi, Jaylee. It's Jaylee from the Baby Cat channel.
Oh my, Jaylee! So great to hear from you. The last video was amazing.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I was actually wondering if you could help me out with a project that I'm working on today. I can't do it logged into my own channel.
Oh, you can most certainly use my channel. Do you need the password?
Yeah, give me a second to write it down, please.
Assistant, I'm going to need a second copy of these on my desk by Monday morning.
Okay. Right away, ma'am.
Okay, I'm ready.
Perfect. The password is
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Jaylee, you've been such a great help. I really appreciate it.
good luck with your video.
Thank you. I'll see you this weekend for our brunch in the Beverly Hills.
I'll come by the private jet. Don't let your hair unravel.
Hello, kitty lovers. It's Jaylee here, and the baby cats and I welcome you to this channel. Please like, comment, and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe or hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the cuteness.
Let's be
I always feel nervous talking to the Proper Betta. She's so cool, and she's like a millionaire. Am I the only one who noticed that insult at the end? Anyways, guys, today's video will be specifically for the technologically advanced. Now, it has come to my attention that some of my subscribers are the said technologically advanced, and so today we'll be learning how to do stuff. Today we'll be learning how to like, comment, subscribe, everything you would need to know for my channel to support my channel, because I really need you guys in this, and we'll be learning how to do that on a computer and a phone. In order to skip to the computer and the phone, here are the times. I'm getting really good at this. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm on the computer right now. Today we will be learning how to do everything necessary on a computer. Thank you to the Proper Betta for allowing me to use your channel. Let's learn a little bit about my homepage. Now, under the banner here, you can see the title of my channel, the Baby Cat channel, and underneath that, you can see my current subscribers. Let's get me another one. To do that, go over here to the red button, click on it in order to subscribe. Clicking the notification bell is also very important so that you get notifications every time I publish a new video. To do that, click the notification bell and select all. Now we're going to go into one specific video and analyze all the things you can do there. I'm going to pause the video so that we can get talking. First off, this is the title of the video, and this is the date it was published along with the views it currently has. Now let's go over here to the right and learn how to do some more things. This is how you turn on closed captions, and this is how you make it full screen. Next, we can learn how to like the video by clicking this thumbs up button right here. When it turns blue, you know you've liked it. You can also dislike the video, but I would not recommend that because it would hurt my feelings. Next thing you can do is you can learn how to share this video. Now this means you can give it to your friends. You can use these other apps, or you can copy this link and then paste it into the group chat with your friends. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down a little bit, and we're going to click this show more so that we can see the description box. I always make my description boxes very funny. I highly recommend reading them. Don't miss out. Next, we're going to take another scroll down and we're going to take a look at the comment section. I always encourage you to comment on my videos. It really helps me. Now, as you can see, the Proper Betta has already left a public comment. But since that was actually her, and this is us just using her channel, we're going to do it again for this tutorial. To leave a comment, click up here, add a public comment. Then write what you would like your comment to say. For me, this is going to be, the baby cat channel is awesome. After I'm done typing, I will go over here to the right and click the blue comment button. This publishes my comment. Now we're going to learn how to respond to another person in the comments. To like, you can hit the thumbs up button, and to reply, you can hit the reply button. Then you type in your reply. For this one, I will type yes. Now, same as last time, you can head over to the right and click the blue reply button. If I would like to change my comment in some way, I can hover over it and you can see 3 dots that appear on the right. Then I can click on these 3 dots to either edit or delete my comment as a whole. I really hope this helps some of you. Thank you for watching this. Again, this was the computer version and there are other versions. Hey guys, still me. Now we're going to do a tutorial on the phone. I'm currently logged into the Proper Betta's account right now, looking at my own channel. Under the banner, you can see my name and how many subscribers I have. Let's get me another one. To do this, I'm simply going to click on the red subscribe button. Now I am subscribed. Hitting the notification bell is important so that you get notifications every time I publish a new video. To do this, you go over to the right and click the notification bell, and then you select all. Now I've scrolled down a little bit and I'm going to analyze one video in particular. I'm going to pause the video so that we can get talking. Here is the name of the video, and here is when it was published and how many views it currently has. Here is where you can turn on captions, and here is where you can make it full screen. Here is where you can like the video. If it is white, you know you have already liked it. Here's where you can dislike the video, but again, don't recommend it. Here's where you can share the video with your friends. You can use these other apps or you can copy the link. To read the description box, we're going to click this arrow. It will bring up the description box and we can read it. When we're done reading, we can click the X to go back to the channel. To comment, click here. Now I'm going to add my own public comment. This is going to be, the baby cat channel is awesome. I hit the blue arrow on the right and now it's there. To like the comment, I can hit this thumbs up. To reply, I hit this button and then I can type my comment, as well as publish it using the right arrow. To X out of the comments, click the X. I hope this video was helpful to those who needed it. I hope it was at least semi-entertaining for those who didn't. Also, I did try to be professional and, tease what was going to be in the next video, and it seems that that didn't work for me, seeing as how I noticed that I had to do this stuff beforehand. But for those of you that I did promise you would see Gracie in the video, here you go. Back to what I was saying. Thanks for watching this video, guys. As always, the baby cats and I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. But this one will, actually have Gracie in it, for real. Okay, alright, see you in the next video. Ugh. Editing is so hard.